Hey guys, Rolando from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be working on a 2017 Hyundai Sonata side view mirror removal. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification, and also hit that like button. And if you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. And also, I know if you guys are asking questions about that tent, let me know if you guys, comment down below if you guys want me to show you how we made that tent so it cools out the employees here. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is open the door. And then we're going to try to remove this cover right here. Alright, so we're going to try to remove this cover right here. So if you guys have something plasticky and flat, that's the best thing to use here so you don't scratch up the cover itself. So go ahead and take that off. And it's just held on by these little clips right here. Okay, next thing is going to take off those 10mm bolts right there. So they're pretty long, so you're going to need an extension on the 10mm. So you're basically going to need one of these longer ones right here. So go ahead and take that off. Don't unplug it yet. Alright, so we don't unplug it because we don't want it to fall accidentally down the on the side of the door, so damaging the door and the side view mirror. So now that it's off, go ahead and support it with one hand on the side view mirror. Go ahead and take it off. And there's a clip right here if you look down. So if you have like small fingers like me, you're gonna be able to go ahead and pull it and then unclip it from back here. And it should release. So don't let that thing fall down. So if it does fall down, I do have another video that shows you guys how to remove this the door panel so you guys can get back there and get that harness. But once you guys have it removed and you guys want to put it back on with a brand new one, of course, go ahead and put this side view mirror back in the hole right here, and then line up those holes like that, and then secure this. Plug it in first, so in case it does fall again, it's not it doesn't damage the door. And then you should hear a click. Once it clicks, you're good to go. Now hold it back here so it doesn't fall when you're pushing it down, like that. Then let's go ahead and take one of these bolts, tighten it up by hand all the way through. So you don't want to use a power tool or anything like that, because if you do, this is made out of plastic. And because it's made out of plastic, it's too much, too much force going into the screws, and it might actually break it from the plastic base. So you don't want to do that. Go ahead and continue tightening up the last one. Just like that. Then hand tighten it. So once you feel it's got a grip, go ahead and take one rotation just like that. Don't put too much pressure. Remember, you're gonna break that stud right there. So just a little bit. And then go ahead and hand tighten like that. Like that. Now check on the other side. Make sure it's flush. Okay. Make sure it's flush right here. It is. Make sure it's flush right there, and especially down here. If it's not flush, go ahead and unscrew it again and then re-tighten it. Because if you don't, you're gonna hear that noise coming into the cabin. Alright guys, so now go ahead and put that cover back on. Same way you found it. Make sure you line up the holes with the clips and then push it down. You should hear it click. Alright guys, I do appreciate you guys watching this video. Again, if you guys need any prepaid auto body parts, go to ReveMoto.com, your prepaid and auto body parts source. And also comment down below, let us know what vehicle you want us to take apart so I can show you guys how to take off the fender, the bumper, the hood, whatever you guys need, let me know, okay? So thank you guys for watching again.